about to do a walk around of our Bandit 1250. Pretty much to tell you everything that we've done to this bike, because we've put a lot of time and money into this motorcycle. So pretty much I'll start from the back. We obviously went with a pretty much another seat. This seat actually lowers the seat height of the motorcycle. This is off of a GSX 650F, and it bolts right up. So for anyone who has a Bandit 1250, you can actually get a GSX 650 seat and lower your seat height without actually having to lower the bike.
That's crazy.
You know, that's pretty cool. As you can tell, we went with a custom wrap. This vinyl wrap's actually one of my favorites.
Yes.
I like how beautiful it looks. It's actually gorgeous.
And
it definitely pulls a lot of attention. We did a full tune-up on the bike. Oil change, coolant flush. I installed a aftermarket aluminum radiator, and that actually is a little bit bigger than the factory radiator, so that actually flows you know, at a higher capacity. It holds a little bit more coolant. So that should keep this bike running ice cold perfectly. Aftermarket headlight that I got off of eBay.
Yes.
And it actually looks pretty good. Really no complaints there. We had to get the valve stem replaced in the back tire because that was leaking terribly. I also installed brand new chain and sprockets on this bike. So pretty much every little piece of this bike has been touched. I also did a smog delete, installed new spark plugs, Renthal bar pad, Pro Taper aftermarket grips. Also added a little bit of wrap around the cluster area, you know, just for a little bit more added beauty, you know, stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead now and do a cold start, little mama. If I can get you to come stand right over here.
Oh, yes, sir.
And we'll go ahead and we will get the cold start of our Bandit 1250. Here we go. Wow.
Woo.
One last thing to mention. I was having trouble getting the bike running after doing all the work that I put into it. And I quickly determined that it was the kickstand sensor that was bad.
Yeah.
So I bypassed the kickstand switch. I'm smart enough to remember to put the kickstand up before I pull off. Oh yeah, if you bring it in right here. The bike actually has a brand new air filter as well. And that's an aftermarket mod. Someone actually cut the factory air filter box open for more air.
Yes, sir. Yes, she does.
And I'm excited.
Oh, I am so excited.
Yeah, I put a lot of work into this bike.
Yes, you did, baby, and she looks beautiful.
I'm just making sure the oil filter's not leaking. Oil drain bolts. That's good. Wow.
Woo.
All right, I'm about to grab my helmet and we'll go
Yes, baby. Yes. Yes, baby.
I love this bike.
I love her, baby.
Good, the fan works.
Good.
At least the fan works. No, this bike did really good. Really good.
Man, I am so happy.
I could tell that this would be a good bike to take to the drag strip.
Yeah.
Obviously. It's got globs of torque. I can tell you that. That's why it's so hard to launch this smooth.
Yeah.
You know? But that's why I was trying to do so many launches.
Yeah.
Because I don't like when me and a machine, when we're not synced in.
I understand.
I like to be avatared up
Exactly.
with every bike that I ride. So I absolutely love this motorcycle.
Oh, I love her.
This bike exceeded my expectations today. Sorry if I'm yelling.
Oh, you're
They
fine.
are, you know, it is blocking, the helmet's blocking my ears. But yeah, man, I am extremely happy with this machine. I'm about to show y'all little mama and the baby, because none of this would be possible without them. All right, let me show y'all little mama and the baby. Oh yeah, y'all look absolutely adorable.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Hey guys, I want you just to comment, you know, let me know how your day is going. You know, I just want to interact with all of our subscribers. You know, even if you comment and just tell me, what are you guys into? What's your hobby? What's the thing that gets you the most excited in life?
Thank
You know?
You know, we're all family.
Exactly. But just know we love you all. And stay tuned, guys. Until next time. Peace.